So, are you ready? Am I ready? Are we all ready? Let's go! Hello everyone, it's me again, your teacher Thea, and welcome to our third lesson for the first quarter of the General Mathematics Operations and Functions. So, I hope that the last video has helped you in understanding our topic for evaluating on functions, and I hope that today, marami din tayong matututunan.
Wow!
So, are you ready? Am I ready? Are we all ready? We have no choice but to get ready.
What?
Let's start our class for today. Okay, so bago ako magsimula, let me give you some learning reminders. Prepare your pen and paper to jot down or practice on solving. Next, take your time, pause if needed, resume whenever you're ready. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It means you're trying. And of course, don't be too hard on yourself. Learning is a gradual process. So I hope ready na tayo, and let me give you our learning objectives for today. Recall previous concepts of algebraic expressions. I know familiar na sa inyo to. And of course, at the end of the lesson, we are going to perform addition on functions. Operations on functions. We can perform operations on function just like performing operations on algebraic expressions. However, we can do 5 operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and composition. So, alam naman natin na sa basic math, meron lang tayong 4 na basic operation. Pero, dito sa functions, pwede natin gawin ang 5 operation. Okay, to perform operations on functions, we need the following skills. Una, knowledge on adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing algebraic expressions, especially involving fractions and integers, identifying like and unlike terms, and of course, evaluating functions. So these are the topics that you have undergone a few years back. Tsaka, tong evaluating function, ito yung previous topic natin last time. So, kung nanonood ka man ito, tapos hindi mo pa alam kung paano mag-evaluate ng function, just watch my previous video at dun mo malalaman kung paano yun. Okay, so ito na. Since functions involved algebraic expressions, let us recall some concepts that might be helpful for our topic for today. This includes the following: algebraic terms, like and unlike, adding integers, subtracting integers. Okay, dito sa screen nyo, makikita nyo ang isang algebraic term. Ang isang algebraic term ay isang component ng algebraic expression. Okay, so meron tayong ditong 2x. Let us study kung ano yung parts ng isang algebraic term. So sa algebraic term, meron tayong tinatawag na coefficients. Ang 2 dito, ang tinatawag na numerical coefficient. Numerical meaning numbers. Numeric. Yung x naman dito, ang tinatawag natin na literal, letters. Literal coefficient or ang ating variable meaning unknown value. Next, we have 3x squared. So dito, sa ating term na to, ang 3 ang ating numerical coefficient. While ito namang x squared, ang ating literal coefficient or variable, note kasama si exponent dyan. Kasi part si exponent ni x. Okay? So si exponent, si 2, hindi yan numerical coefficient. Siya ay isang part ni x, which is a variable. X cubed. Siyempre, si x cubed ay isang literal coefficient or tinatawag nating variable. Ano yung kanyang numerical coefficient? So, kung ganyan lang nakikita nyo, automatic meron siyang 1 na numerical coefficient. So, pag x cubed lang, hindi na kasi necessary na lagyan natin ng 1. Okay, we have 2x over 3. So, saan ba ang ating numerical coefficient dito? At ano ang ating literal coefficient? Okay, note that 2x over 3 is equal to 2/3 x. So ngayon, alam na natin na ang ating 2/3 ay ang ating numerical coefficient At ang x, ang ating literal coefficient o ang ating variable. Wow! May algebraic term pala na number lang. Ano kayang tawag dito? Okay, meron tayong 4. Ang 4 natin ay tinatawag na constant, meaning wala siyang variable, no variable. So, definition ng like and unlike terms. Like terms, like meaning magkakapareho, are the constants and those with the same literal coefficient or variable, the same, meaning magkatulad. Unlike terms, they have different literal coefficient or variable, magkaiba. So, meron tayong examples dito at gusto kong ma-identify ninyo kung saan dito ang like at saan dito ang unlike. Identify if the following pairs is like or unlike terms. 2x squared and 2x cubed. Ano yung una natin titignan? Dapat yung una natin tignan ang kanilang variable or ang kanilang literal coefficient. Ano yung literal coefficient ni 2x squared? Tama, x squared. Yung isa naman, x cubed. Magkatulad ba si x squared at si x cubed? Hindi, kasi magkaiba ang kanilang exponent. Meaning, they are unlike terms. Very good. Ito pa, 5 and 2. Meron ba silang literal coefficient? Wala. So, ang tawag sa kanilang dalawa ay constant. Since magkatulad silang dalawang constant, ang tawag sa kanila ngayon ay like terms. A squared and 3a squared. Like or unlike? They are like terms. Since magkatulad sila ng literal coefficient na a squared. Next one, 2x cubed and 1/2 x cubed. Like or unlike? Like terms. Next one, 6 and 2x to the 4th. Madali lang kasi yung isa may literal coefficient, yung isa wala, meaning hindi sila magkatulad. They are called unlike terms. Last one, 5a squared and 2a squared over 3. Like or unlike? Tama, like. Very good. Ang galing-galing natin. We make a good team, you know? Bruh. Chares. So, dito na naman tayo sa adding integers. So, I know na familiar na sa inyo to. Integers are signed numbers. Yung may negative, tsaka yung may positive. So, note ha, nagre-review pa lang tayo. Pero, mahaba-haba na yung discussion. So, hold on. Laban lang, kapit lang. Okay, in adding two integers with the same sign, simply add and follow the common sign. So, example na kaagad tayo. So, since they are of the same sign, just simply add and follow the common sign. Ano ba yung magkatulad na sign sa kanila? Okay, pareho silang positive. So, ang sagot natin ngayon, 2 plus 3 equals positive 5. Okay. Meron pa akong isang example. Negative 2 plus negative 3. Ano yung common sign nila? Pareho silang negative, di ba? So, i-add mo lang daw, 2 plus 3, i-copy mo yung common sign nila, which is negative. Ngayon, magiging negative 5 na siya. Okay, meron tayong pangalawang rule. In adding two integers with unlike sign, subtract the absolute value of the two integers and copy the sign of the integer with the bigger absolute value. Proceed tayo sa example. Meron tayong 2 tsaka negative 4. Magkaiba sila ng sign, di ba? Yung 2 positive, yung isa negative. Ano daw gagawin? Subtract the absolute value o sa madaling sense, i-positive mo lang yung dalawa, tapos i-subtract mo daw. So, magiging 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 ngayon, ilan? 2, di ba? Tapos, i-follow mo lang daw yung sign ng integer na may mas malaking absolute value. So, ano ba yung mas malaki dito? 2 o 4? Di ba si 4? Ano yung sign ni 4 dito sa ating equation? Ang sign niya is negative. So, i-follow natin si negative. So, ang sagot natin magiging negative 2. Okay? So, meron pa tayong isang example. Negative 2 plus 4. So, magkaiba na naman sila ng sign. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, subtract lang yung absolute value ni 2 tsaka ni 4. So, 4 minus 2, magiging 2. Ano yung sign ng mas malaki sa kanila? Positive, di ba? Kasi positive si 4. So, ang sagot natin ngayon, magiging positive 2. To test your understanding, try this. Add the following pairs of integers. 5 plus 7. Pareho silang positive. So, anong gagawin natin? I-add lang natin sila and follow the common sign. 5 plus 7 is equal to positive 12. Correct. Next one, negative 5 plus negative 7. Ano ang sagot? Since they are of the same sign, i-add lang natin tapos follow the common sign. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Common sign nila ay negative, so magiging negative 12. 5 plus negative 7. Ano yung gagawin natin? Find the absolute value of the two integers. Magiging 7 minus 5. Ilan? 2. Ano yung sign na gagamitin natin? Ano ba yung sign ng mas malaki dito? Si 7 yung mas malaki dito, di ba? So, ano yung sign ni 7 dito? Negative. So, ang sagot natin, negative 2. Okay? So, dito, negative 5 plus 7. Ano yung sagot? Tama, positive 2. So, as you can see, magkatulad lang sila ng numbers. Pero, hindi magkatulad yung sign nila. Kaya, kung napapansin mo sa kanilang mga sagot, iba-iba yung sign at iba-iba rin yung answer. Kaya, careful talaga tayo na tignan yung mga sign na pinapakita sa atin sa mga equations kasi nakaka-apekto talaga yun sa mga sagot, sa mga final answers natin. Okay, dito na naman tayo sa subtracting integers. Okay, so meron tayong rules na pina-follow dito. Pero for the sake of this video, I only use 2 rules since marami yun. And for the second rule, parang sinamarize ko na lang para makamove on na tayo sa ating main topic for today. So our first rule is if two integers are both positive, simply subtract. Ano ba yung sagot? 1. Okay. So then we have 2 minus 3. So since mas maliit si 2 kesa sa 3, nauna si 2, so ang sagot natin is negative 1. And then, second rule, another way is to change the sign of the second integer, change the operation into addition, and to proceed to adding integers. Okay, 2 minus negative 4. So, ang gagawin mo daw dito, itong pangalawang integer, si negative 4, i-change mo daw yung sign. From negative, naging positive siya. Pagkatapos, instead na i-minus mo na, i-plus mo na. Nagiging 2 plus 4 na siya. So, ano ba yung 2 plus 4 natin? We have 6. Okay, another example. Negative 2 minus 4. So, ano bang gagawin natin? Itong si positive 4, gawin nating negative 4. Instead na minus, gawin nating add. Okay, so negative 2 plus negative 4. Ano ba yung rule kanina ng adding of integers kapag ganito? I-add mo lang, pagkatapos i-follow yung common sign. So, ang answer natin ngayon is negative 6. So, ayan na, madaling-madali lang talaga. And I hope na-refresh na yung minds nyo regarding this topic. Kasi alam ko, nadaanan nyo na to nung mga previous years nyo. Okay, try this. Subtract the following pairs of integers. 5 minus 7. Ano bang sagot natin? We have negative 2. Okay, next example. Negative 5 minus negative 7. Okay, naging negative 5 plus 7 na siya. Ano bang sagot natin ngayon? Positive 2. Okay, very good. Next, 5 minus negative 7. Okay, so naging 5 plus 7 na siya. Ang sagot ngayon ay 12. Okay? Negative 5 minus 7. So, naging negative 5 plus negative 7 na siya. Ang sagot na natin ngayon ay negative 12. So, katulad kanina sa adding integers, mahalaga rin, nababantayan talaga natin kung ano yung signs ng mga integers para hindi tayo magkamali sa ating sagot. So, ayan na, nandito na tayo sa ating main topic for today. Okay, operations on functions, addition. Meron akong nakabanggit kanina na 5. Pero for this video, I will only discuss one operation muna, which is the addition. Tapos next video na lang yung iba. So, ito yung definition ng addition of functions. For the addition of functions, the sum denoted by f plus g is the function denoted by f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Okay, meron tayong example dito. Example number 1. Let f of x equals 2x and g of x equals 3x. Find f plus g of x. So, meron na naman tayong steps kung paano mag-add ng functions para mas madali. First step, write the definition. So, ang definition niya, f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Next step is to replace the functions with the given value. F plus g of x equals yung f of x natin naging 2x since ito yung given natin, plus yung g of x natin naging 3x since ito yung given natin. Okay, third step na tayo. Combine like terms. So, ayan na yung sinabi ko kanina na like terms, di ba? So, since dalawa lang yung terms na involved dito, kunin mo na lang yung parenthesis. F plus g of x equals 2x plus 3x since like terms din naman sila. Fourth step is to perform the operation. So, ano ba yung operation na naka-indicate doon sa ating function na given? So, meron tayo ditong 2x plus 3x. So, i-add mo daw si 2x at si 3x. Paano nga ba mag-add ng algebraic term? Ang i-add mo lang yung kanilang numerical coefficient and i-copy mo lang yung literal coefficient. 2 plus 3 equals to 5 and then copy mo lang yung literal coefficient nila na x. So, ang answer natin ngayon is 5x. Ito na yung 5 steps natin kung paano mag-add ng functions. Ngayon, itry natin sa mas mahabang functions. Example number 2. Let f of x is equal to x minus 5 and g of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Find f plus g of x. So, ang involved na naman dito or yung hinahanap natin ay yung sum. Okay, ano nga yung first step natin? Okay, the definition. Write the definition. F plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Okay, next. Replace the functions with the given value. So, f plus g of x. Yung f of x natin ay naging x minus 5 since ito yung given natin. Plus, parenthesis na naman, g of x natin, naging 2x plus 1. Since ito si given natin na g of x. So, wag mong kalimutang lagyan ng parenthesis. Kagaya nung nag-evaluate tayo ng functions para hindi tayo malito. Next step natin, combine like terms. So, dito sa ating functions, ang like terms dito ay si 2x tsaka si x. Pinag-isa na natin sila. X plus 2x. So, next naman, meron pa tayong like terms. Meron pa tayong negative 5 tsaka 1. So, idikit na naman natin si negative 5 at si 1. Okay? So, i-copy natin yung sign nila. Fourth step na, perform operations. Kung ano yung operations na hinahanap, ibigay mo. Okay? X plus 2x is equal to, syempre yung x may 1 na numerical coefficient, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Copy the literal coefficient, magiging 3x. Negative 5 plus 1. Ang sagot natin, negative 4. Final answer ay f plus g of x equals 3x minus 4. So, madaling-madali lang. Kapag marunong tayong mag-add and subtract ng integers, ng algebraic terms, mag-identify ng like and unlike terms, okay na okay na. Okay, another example na naman tayo. Let f of x equals 3x squared plus 1 and g of x equals x squared minus x minus 2. Find f plus g of x. So, medyo mahaba-haba na to pero sisiw na sisiw. Ano nga yung first step natin? Write the definition. Wag mong kakalimutan yan. Kasi yan yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Dapat alam mo yung definition or ano yung hinahanap. F plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Next step, replace the function with the given value. So, ang nangyari dito, f plus g of x equals yung f of x natin mula sa definition, naging 3x squared plus 1 kasi ito yung given. And plus tayo, parenthesis, ano yung g of x natin sa given? X squared minus x minus 2. So, yan ang pinalit dyan sa g of x. Okay. So, replace lang. Substitute. 3, or the third step, combine like terms. So, dito, pwede nang kunin si parenthesis and identify mo yung like term. Ang like terms natin dito ay si 3x squared at si x squared. So, isulat natin dito sa baba, 3x squared plus x squared. Tapos, dito, walang partner si negative x. So, i-follow na lang din natin siya. Negative x. Meron pa ba tayong like term dito? Oh, yes, meron pa. We have positive 1 and a negative 2. So, the next step is to perform operations. Okay, since na-combine na natin yung terms, pwede na nating ma-perform ang mga operations na hinihingi sa ating functions. Remember ha, na mag-perform ka lang ng operation doon sa mga like terms. Doon lang, okay? So, ang 3x squared plus x squared, 3 plus 1, since 1 ang ating numerical coefficient ng x squared ay 4. And yung 4, ang literal coefficient natin ngayon ay x squared. Follow lang natin kung ano yung common sa kanila. Then yung isa, since wala siyang partner, malungkot siya, nag-iisa, parang ako, char. Okay, so magiging negative x pa rin siya. Copy na lang natin siya kasi walang operation na magagawa sa kanya. Next, positive 1 minus 2. So, ilan ba ang positive 1 minus 2 natin? Negative 1. So, ang final answer natin ay f plus g of x equals 4x squared minus x minus 1. So, ayan na. Napakadali lang talaga ng pag-a-add ng functions kung alam mo lang yung basic skills na kailangan. So, eto, I will give you time to pause and to rewind those parts na medyo nalilito kayo tapos tignan nyo ulit before ko bigyan kayo ng example na kayo yung sasagot. So, pwede nyo nang i-pause anytime, anywhere, any place. Char. Okay, so ready na? Okay, I hope ready na tayo, no? Okay, it's your time to shine. Try this. Let f of x equals 4x squared plus 2x and g of x equals 2x squared minus x minus 1. Find f plus g of x. So anytime you can pause this video, answer on your paper, and whenever you're ready, let us check your answers.
A few moments later.
Okay, sagutin na natin. I hope you're ready. Okay, ito na. Let f of x equals 4x squared plus 2x and g of x equals 2x squared minus x minus 1. Find f plus g of x. So, ang first step natin is to define. Write the definition. F plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Next one, replace the functions with the given value. So, ito na. Yung f of x natin, magiging 4x squared plus 2 since ito yung given natin. And then, yung g of x natin, magiging 2x squared minus x minus 1. So, ayan na, pinalitan lang para tayong nag-evaluate, di ba? Okay, next, combine like terms. F plus g of x equals, combine natin yung like terms natin, yung 4x squared tsaka 2x squared. Next, positive 2x minus x. And then, yung last, negative 1. Okay, check mo kung ito yung sagot mo, okay? Step 4, perform operation. So, 4x squared plus 2x squared, nagiging 6x squared. Ayan. So, 2x minus x, naging positive x. And i-copy natin si negative 1 since nag-iisa lang siya. So, lastly, let us write the final answer. F plus g of x is equal to 6x squared plus x minus 1. Okay, kung natama mo yung lahat ng sagot ng ating given kanina, great job for you. Nakakaiyak kasi nakaka-proud. Nakaka-proud, char. Well, anyways, before I end this video lesson, let me give you some pointers or things to remember. Follow and understand the procedure in adding functions. So, hindi lang mahalaga na i-follow natin, mas mahalaga na mas naintindihan natin. Kasi, pag na-understand mo, mas na-appreciate mo kung ano talaga yung purpose. So, iba talaga kapag naiintindihan mo kaysa sa na-memorize mo lang. Kasi, walang learning na nagaganap kapag na-memorize mo lang. Kasi nakakalimutan mo lang talaga eh. Pero kapag naiintindihan mo, masishare mo pa sa iba, matuturuan mo pa sila. Nagsispeech na pala ako. Okay, second, Be familiar on algebraic concepts and operations on integers. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko, maraming skills ang kailangan sa math. Kailangan mo talaga yung basic knowledge mo na natutunan mo before para ma-apply mo sa mga ganito ka-complex na mga topic. And math is all about applying previous concepts to work on new ones. So, yan yung beauty ng math. So, ayan na. I hope that you understood our topic for today. Medyo nalilito pa kayo. You can rewind, pause and replay the video para mas maintindihan nyo yung concepts and yung steps ng pag-add ng functions. And I hope to see you soon on our next video log. Bye!